Triton Xerophyte, Installation Basics. The Triton Xerophyte consists of two main components: controller unit, mixer unit. The controller unit and the mixer unit communicate with each other, either with the 10-meter data cable, or wirelessly. The controller unit is installed within the shower, and replaces your conventional taps or mixer. The mixer unit can either be installed in the ceiling space above the shower, a closet adjacent to the shower, or on an adjacent outside wall within the Xerophyte external housing. The Triton Xerophyte can be installed with any showerhead of your choice. Triton Xerophyte. Luxury with a clean conscience.